Morning, afternoon, and night, so I catch you whatever time you're at or I'm at. Hey, one of my chickens died. Now I only have 3 chickens. Hey, Dexter. There's my scarecrow. Had a visitor. Can't tell it probably, but pile of moose shit over there. Anyways, it's snowing again. Just thought I want to do a quick update. Tell you it's December 11th, and it's like 1 o'clock, and everything's well. Anyways, comment, like, and subscribe, share. Have a nice day, have a nice life. Happy tow trucking, Silverados, and all that happy horse shit. Later.